I want to show you a trick. This is the primary, this is the clutch lid. Hi guys, I want to show you a trick today. This is the primary, this is the clutch lid. And if you hit the wrong gear and if you have a lot of power, the engine case may crack. As we know, engine cases can crack. How does this happen? It is a force impact from the primary in this direction, this direction. When you hit the wrong gear, then there's a huge force impacting on the primary, and this force has to go somewhere. And there's a small trick how you can prevent that the case is cracking. You see this thick washer here? It moves. You see? Statical wise, constructions with a bow, think of bridges, etc. and so on, are very strong. So if this impact onto the primary is guided into that clutch lid, then you can save the engine from cracking. And the little trick you do with it is, you see, the screw nut is not touching the lid, so there is no directly connection. But when we tighten the screw nut after the clutch lid is on, this small plate here, this washer, clamps again the clutch lid. This means all the force goes directly over this point into the clutch lid, and your case will not crack. First, mount the clutch, then afterwards tighten the primary screw. Of course, if you take out the clutch for services, so don't forget to open this. Otherwise it is really difficult to get the lid off. First clutch, second primary. Don't forget to close the safety tap. Now we're done. First clutch, second primary nut, so that the thick washer twists, turns and clamps against the clutch lid, and then you may prevent your engine case from cracking. See you guys, don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?
But what's up with the reed wheel? Because look, I can put stuff in here. The reeds, they open. Manifold. We have the reeds, and then we have the nozzle.